Welcome back to our channel. Our topic for today is national income and its measurement. National income is one of the important subject matter of macroeconomics. National income is a composite measure of all economic activities such as production, distribution, exchange and consumption, but is also an objective indicator of economic welfare of the people in a country. Modern economy is a money economy. Hence, national income of a country is expressed in terms of money. The total income of the nation is called national income. In real terms, national income is the flow of goods and services produced in an economy during a year. According to NIC, a national estimate measures the volume of commodities and services turned out during a given period counted without duplication. Different concept of national income. Gross domestic product. Gross domestic product is the gross market value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country during a period of 1 year. GDP equals C जोड़ I जोड़ G जोड़ XM, where C equals private consumption expenditure. I equals domestic private investment. G equals government's consumption and investment expenditures. XM equals net export value, value of exports, value of imports. Gross national product. Gross national product means the gross value of final goods and services produced annually in a country, which is estimated according to the price prevailing in the market. GNP equals C जोड़ I जोड़ G जोड़ XM जोड़ RP. R equals receipts from abroad and P equals payments made abroad. Net domestic product. Net domestic product is the net market value of all final goods and services produced within the territorial boundaries of a country during a period of 1 year. NDP equals GDP depreciation. Net national product, NNP. Net national product is the net market value of all final goods and services produced by the residents of a country during a period of 1 year. NNP equals GNP depreciation. Green GDP. Green GNP is an indicator of sustainable use of natural environment and equitable distribution of benefits of development. Per capita income. Per capita income, PCI, refers to the average income earned per person in a country during a specific period, usually 1 year. PCI equals total population, national income. Gross value added. Gross value added, GVA, measures the total value of goods and services produced in an economy after deducting the cost of inputs, intermediate consumption. GVA equals value of output ghatav intermediate consumption. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more legal insights. See you in the next one.